What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the set. If you've never been here before, my name is CJ, and today we're gonna be doing something a little different on my show.
We fear change.
Not necessarily doing a cooking recipe, although it does involve
As
cooking.
opposed to a non-cooking recipe.
What?
What?
Glad you're back with us. I've got Stephanie T here with me, and we've actually been doing some cooking today.
Yep.
And she has made some amazing, authentic Chinese food. We have devoured like crazy. My daughter's finishing a plate as we speak. But with most Chinese food, there's a lot of sugars,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And so it's not just Chinese food, but in this instance today, we did have some sugars that were a part of our sauces.
Yeah, I can
And
still
that
smell it.
leaves
Honey, yes.
some nasty residue over here. So, you want to talk us through how you clean? Because this could be a little scary for people who've never, either you're just learning to cook on your Blackstone, or you're just afraid like you're doing it wrong.
Yeah.
Walk us through how you clean.
I just do it how you do it.
Ha!
Yeah.
Great. Bye, folks. We'll see you later. That's all you need to know. Two components you need when cleaning. Number one, water.
Stephanie
Number two,
and water.
Obviously,
paper
you need
towels.
water,
Take us
so
away.
It's super simple. All you gotta do is use some water. It's your best friend. It's just gonna pick up all of the nasty gunk.
See, look at that. Whoa. Yep. So, as you start to steam it, all of that gunk that was stuck,
Yep.
it starts to release and
Super
fog up your
easy.
glasses.
Yes. Oh
Uh,
god, here, let me do it. I
Yeah,
got it.
and
All
give us,
right.
yeah, give us some more water. Give it to us.
So, just wanna give it a good squirt.
I think a lot of times people overthink it.
Oh yeah.
It's just steam it, clean it,
Make
keep
it shiny.
Yeah.
Steam it,
It
clean
sucks
make
as it
shiny.
cuts.
It certainly does suck.
So I think that's actually a good point. Guys, this is metal. Like, even if you scraped some of your seasoning off, you can re-season as you go. A lot of times you can re-season as you're cooking. It's not a big deal. But that rear grease trap is absolutely your best friend.
It
You're not
is.
pulling junk towards your clean shirt. You're pushing it away from your clean shirt.
Look at that, it's like almost spotless. I just gotta get this side real quick.
You'll notice too when you clean when it's super hot, the
Yeah.
steam lifts everything out.
It does. And then it's like brand new again. And then now,
Then I like to get a paper towel just before I oil it up. And we'll just kind of come over here and get all the remaining water, because you do not want sitting water on your Blackstone.
Yep.
That is definitely not your friend. Now that it's looking nice and pale and dry like Ethan's face when he was 14 years old.
That was so rude.
That's completely uncalled for, Burgundy.
now we're gonna make
So
it
mean.
shiny.
I don't know why. Now we're gonna make it shiny.
All right.
And little
I can
paper.
do the
there we go.
honors here.
CJ's hair.
Reach.
Oh no! Denied!
All right, now we're gonna make it shiny. So same thing, just a little bit of the paper towel. Rub the oil in. This is like the most crucial part besides cleaning it, of course. A neutral oil.
Just
That's what
whatever
I
oil
use.
you're cooking with is
Yeah.
basically what we're looking for.
There
But
you
you
go.
want your griddle to be shiny by the time you're done with your cook. That way it's ready for your next cook. Then into the trash. Bob's your uncle.
What?
What was that?
And then,
What?
I cringe, Mr. Mayor.
and then you're ready for your next cook. So let's start from the top. Scrape it
Scrape it.
with some water.
Yes.
Get all
Or
that gunk.
Steam it.
Steam it.
Clean it.
Clean
Clean
it.
it.
And then
Make it shiny.
Make
Make
it
it
shiny.
shiny.
That's
Easy
right.
peasy.
After you do that, you're all set. You guys are gonna have fun for all the cooks that you have. Again, don't be scared. It's metal. You might season again, season a little more, but at the end of the day, you're gonna love it. And then you're gonna start learning how to cook, just like Stephanie T
From
over
Stephanie.
here. You guys need to go check her out on all of the platforms. She is absolutely slaying it, crushing us all, making us all look bad.
never.
Well, not
I
all
would
of us.
never. We're a
Mostly
team.
you.
Mostly
You know?
me, but that's because you don't have a show anymore. But if you did, she would be crushing you as well. Man, I am in a mood, aren't I?
Yeah, you are.
I don't like it.
Okay.
I don't know.
Is it that time?
I don't know. Maybe it's that time.
Maybe.
That time. Maybe we need a.
Oh, look at that. CJ's eating
Oh.
my food. I mean, CJ.
Nate.
Sorry, Nate. My bad. Nate.
What?
Nate is eating my food.
At the end of the day, seriously guys, keep it simple. Don't freak out. Have fun with it. You've got so many options you can cook. A lot of times they have sugars. They're gonna leave gunk. It's fine.
Easy peasy.
Steam it, clean it, make it shiny. You're off to the races. Be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com for other questions and recipes and ideas. Go to griddlenation.com where you can buy a bunch of swag and stickers for Griddle Nation. Be sure to check out all the other shows on the Blackstone YouTube network. And of course, be sure to go check out our girl Stephanie T. And don't worry, you can't check out Nate because he doesn't have anything to watch.
I'm still on it.
Yes, we are.
Still on it.
So until next time, this is CJ's first cooking show where we cook.
And we quote.
That's right.
For now.
Alright.
Not a single bell.
And yet there is.
No bell.
There it is.
There it is.
There it is.
Later, y'all.
Secure